What if you could make your workshop more inclusive before participants even walk through the door? Start by thinking about the environment. Is the room too noisy, too bright, or too visually overwhelming? Can participants choose where they sit? Is there a quieter space they can use if they need a break? Make the activity easier to understand before it starts. Share the schedule, explain what will happen, and make instructions clear and accessible. And remember, participation doesn't have to look the same for everyone. Give people different ways to communicate, contribute, and take breaks. Inclusion doesn't always require big changes. Sometimes it's about preparing the space, anticipating different needs, and giving people more choices. Small changes, more accessible spaces, more people able to participate.